Hey guys, I'm Amitanshu and this is regarding our smart home automation project. We have done this in a group of three. Along with me there is Rohit and Ketul. So here is, I'll explain you the project. So the device which I'm wearing right now is Mindwave mobile device, and we have also developed a smartphone application which is in Android, which is for Android. So which these two devices interact with Home OS and can be used to control different appliances in the house. So the Mindwave mobile device we have used to detect user mood. So we try and detect if a user is thinking something or if it's in relaxed state. So first of all, just explain the device for those who don't know. This is a Mindwave mobile device which gives us the raw EEG data of our brain signals. This data can be used to, perform different operations, or like switching on or off lights or any other home appliance inside the house. So you can use this data to like trigger different applications using Home OS. Uh, this device gives us data in the form of attention, meditation, and blink values. It also gives us raw values of our brain, which is the EEG data, which is alpha, beta, theta, and delta values, which has the high and low values correspondingly. So, the value which we are using is high alpha value. So we have used this raw data, uh, like we wrote an algorithm to determine if a user is thinking something or if he's in relaxed state. So and we ran an experiment on multiple people to determine the threshold which can be used to determine the user mood when a person is relaxed or thinking something, because it depends on person to person. These values may vary. So the proper implementation should be implementing a machine learning algorithm and like running this experiment on more number of people, like more number of like probably patients which can be targeted for this kind of applications. uh, this application could be used for like patients with those who are physically challenged, and like they want to trigger something in their house. They can use this device or a smartphone to trigger some device, like probably let's say when you close your eyes and then all the lights in your house should turn off. If you are a parent and then you want to set a rule, something like whenever I just sleep, so the sleep can be detected by using this device. So it can tell you if you're in relaxed state and if your eyes are closed. So you can just put these two conditions to like switch off all the lights in your house, and you can put rules such as you cannot open start TV after this, or any other rules like that in your house. So I'll just show you the application right now. So this is the dashboard of Home OS. So this is the app which we have created using the Mindwave driver. We also refer to a couple of applications which were built on Mindwave, but we created a new application which has the algorithm to determine if a user is thinking something or if is in relaxed state. As I had mentioned that we can also like find out the we can also control the devices using the desktop application. So here is the desktop application which has a radio button saying use Mindwave yes or no, and light on or off. So we can see that the light status is currently off and use Mindwave is no. So we are not using Mindwave to control the devices. Since the light status of this table lamp is off, I'll just click on and it should turn on the light. And when I click on off, it should again turn off the light. And in the slide, I also showed you that we have created a smartphone application. So this could be used in scenarios such as whenever you are in office and you want to take care of all the devices, you want to get status of all the devices if it is turned on or off, and you want to like switch off the devices if you have forgotten to switch on, and if you want to turn on something like a probably a important PC or something like that, so you can do that. So here are the list of devices which says this is one device which has device ID, device name, and device status. Device ID does not make much of sense right now, but uh, device name is lamp 1 and device status is 0. So I can just click on toggle to like switch on the light, and when I click on toggle again, the light switches off. So now we will use Mindwave to control devices. As I had mentioned that it gives us blink value, attention, meditation, and 8 kinds of EEG data. We are using one of it to determine if a user is actually thinking something or not. So, like we run a algorithm to determine if a user is thinking or not. We run it for like 30 seconds and then identify. We collect all the samples and we pick out the maximum samples if a user was what was the user activity in this uh, duration. So if the most of the activity was like if I was thinking something, then we switch on the light which just happened, and we also show you a text which is in green color that you are thinking something. uh, and if a user is in relaxed state, we just turn off the light for now, and we just show you a text that on the in red color that you are in relaxed mode. So I mean, this is the one part of application, like turning on the light, and whenever you go to the relaxed state, it should actually turn off the light. Now I'll try to go in the relaxed state right now. Probably I'll just look at one value and like do not will I'll not think about anything else. So it just happened. It's kind of difficult to like go in the relaxed state and with your eyes open. So and we also wanted to show that we are not using blink value. That's why I just demoed you with my eyes open. So we use these raw values, run an algorithm, and we ran experiments on multiple people, decided a threshold. We figured out if we distinguished if the user is thinking something or if is in relaxed state. So, and I also spoke about the possible applications, like it could be used on a patients, and if you want to trigger something for the handicapped patients probably, and this can be used to identify. I would let it select no for now. Okay, so it can also be used to like switch it off. Yep. So it can also be used to like probably for patients uh, wherein we can also like run this experiment on multiple people more than like whatever we have done till now. So and we run machine learning algorithms on them to decide the if the user is also in happy state or if it's in sad state, because this high alpha value also gives us values in that. So we could use like probably these four features, basically four moods of a particular person, and trigger different appliances. Let's say if I'm happy, I could do something like I would want to like play a party song, like switch on like lights or a red light, blue light, like flashlight, something like that. And whenever I'm sad, I would just switch on probably just one light in my house. So I mean, these could be just applications which can be done. uh, I guess, and this is it about the demo. But regarding the technical aspect of it, we developed an app, used the Mindwave driver. We created an app, and we created this app to like control different appliances. Hope you liked the demo. Thank you.